Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products. But today, we're tackling something that's been making waves in the anti-aging skincare world. If you're someone who's been struggling with fine lines, wrinkles, or just general skin aging, you'll want to stay tuned. I'm reviewing the Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus Anti-Wrinkle Night Moisturizer, a product that promises softer, smoother skin and a reduction in those stubborn signs of aging. So, let's start with the basics. This is a 1.7-ounce jar of Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair with pure retinol. It's formulated without fragrance, parabens, dyes, and phthalates, and claims to deliver visible results with its patented technology. The idea behind this night moisturizer is to hydrate your skin while working overtime to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It's dermatologically tested and made for all skin tones. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. When I first tried this product, the application was simple. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs easily into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's actually quite hydrating, which I appreciate in a night cream. After all, you want something that'll work through the night and keep your skin nourished. I applied it to both my face and neck, and within a few minutes, my skin felt smoother and it had a slight glow to it. It's important to note, though, that retinol can sometimes cause irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin, so I did a patch test before applying it all over. Fortunately, this one didn't give me any irritation or dryness. Now, for those of you familiar with retinol, you know that it takes time to see real results. So, I committed to using this product nightly for about a week to track its effects. After the first few days, I did notice my skin looking brighter and feeling more hydrated. The immediate effects weren't drastic, but they were definitely noticeable. By the end of the first week, I could tell my skin looked a little more refreshed. By week 4, I saw more substantial improvements. My fine lines, particularly around the eyes and mouth, appeared softer, and my skin did look firmer. What I really appreciate about this moisturizer is how it balances being effective with being gentle. It's tough on wrinkles, but it's not harsh on the skin. I also love that it's free from the usual potential irritants like fragrance and parabens, which is a bonus for anyone with sensitive skin. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. On the plus side, this cream does a great job of hydrating the skin while working on wrinkles and dark spots. It also absorbs quickly, so you don't have to wait long before hitting the pillow. The formula is gentle, and the lack of fragrance makes it a perfect option for those who are sensitive to scents in skincare. However, the only con I could find is that the jar packaging might not be the most hygienic. It's always better to have a pump or tube to avoid contamination and oxidation, but if you're careful when using it, it shouldn't be an issue. In terms of value for money, Neutrogena's Retinol Pro Plus is reasonably priced compared to other retinol-based products on the market. A jar of 1.7 ounces is enough to last you a couple of months, depending on your usage. Given the effectiveness and the trusted dermatological backing, I'd say it's a fair price. That being said, if you're looking for alternatives, there are similar products available, like Rosy Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, which tends to be a bit more affordable and also performs well in the anti-aging department. As for build quality, the packaging is solid, although, as mentioned, the jar isn't ideal for keeping the product fresh. The formula itself is what really shines, and I appreciate that Neutrogena focuses on clinically backed ingredients, ensuring it's suitable for a wide range of skin tones. Over time, you'll notice smoother, more youthful skin with consistent use. Now let's touch on customer support. I didn't have to reach out to Neutrogena for this review, but they're generally known for good customer service and addressing any product concerns promptly. They've been around for years, and that kind of reputation matters in the skincare world. In terms of product updates, there haven't been any major changes to this formula recently, but Neutrogena is known for continuous improvement in their formulations. So, if they ever update the formula or change the packaging, I'll be sure to keep you all in the loop. So, who is this product for? Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus is perfect for anyone looking for a gentle yet effective retinol treatment. If you're in your late 20s to 40s and want to start preventing fine lines, or if you've already started noticing some signs of aging, this moisturizer can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Its gentle formulation makes it suitable for most skin types, though. If you're new to retinol, I'd recommend starting slow to avoid irritation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Did you love it? Or was it not the right fit for your skin? If you're interested in giving this one a go, the link to purchase it can be found in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.